Teaching online requires us to prepare many things and make sure that our computer or laptop, headset, webcam, and most especially our teaching tools are all working well. However, I can say that it is also fun and rewarding. So for us to successfully conduct our classes, we have to be prepared for sudden power interruptions and network outages. Don't worry, because I'm going to share the things I do and use in case of emergencies. Sudden power interruption is really our enemy as online tutors. Am I correct? Of course I am. However, giving up is not in our vocabulary. And we also don't want to work just to pay for the penalties, do we? So we really have to try our best to think of solutions. Let's have the first scenario. If the power suddenly goes out, but the good thing is that you use your laptop and you still have much time left before your shift starts, then you can go to a restaurant since most of these establishments have standby generators. While this may be a great idea, you still have to be mindful of its surrounding area. Remember to choose a place that isn't too crowded and noisy. Also, you can go to one of your friends' or relatives' houses. Just don't forget to bring everything, including your charger. If you don't have any other options, then you can use your mobile phone or iPad. But please don't forget to inform your TM about it. Also, record the class just in case the system doesn't automatically record it. This will save you from having complaints in the future. For your internet, you can use this one. This one is a USB power booster cable to power your modem or router to your power bank. If you want to buy one, please make sure that it is compatible with your modem. To do so, check at the back of your modem, or you can also see the details here. In order for you to use your mobile phone or iPad, then you have to download ClassIn on your device. In my case, I had to update mine to the latest version before I could use it. Well, I'm not sure if it is also the same to everyone, but if the bird doesn't stop flying, then you can update it.
It's a bit tricky for a classroom. First, go to this link, then log in. Next, copy the link and save it.
Then you have to download TalkCloud Plus on your device and just wait for it to be installed.
Finally, paste the link here, and when you enter the classroom, it will redirect you to TalkCloud Plus. Now, you're ready to start the class. Now, if you use your computer, then you can invest in a good uninterruptible power supply or UPS. This is a backup battery power supply that provides you adequate power to finish your ongoing class if there is any, and to properly shut down your computer. Just a reminder, it is costly. Small UPS systems provide power that will only last for a few minutes. There are larger UPS systems that will give you power for more than an hour, but it is more expensive than the other one. So before you buy one, please do some research. Now let's talk about network outages. If you experience low internet connection or even loss of signal, then you can use your phone as your mobile hotspot. So you can share your mobile internet with your computer or laptop using a wireless LAN. However, you cannot use this for a long time since it can damage the battery of your mobile device. Oh, it is also easy to set up since it's just a wireless connection.
For you to be connected to your mobile internet, you have to turn on your data and hotspot. Also, you can configure the hotspot and change the name and password. Just don't forget to click Save. Then, your hotspot name will appear in the Wi-Fi pop-up window on your laptop or computer.
If you want to have more stable connection, then you can try USB tethering. This requires you to use your mobile device and a USB cable. Also, the internet speed is faster and more stable than the other one since it's a wired connection, and the power consumption is also minimal.
Connect your phone to your laptop or computer using your USB cable. Next, open your settings and click Wireless and Networks. Turn on your mobile data, then go back and click Tethering and Portable Hotspot and turn this on. Go back again and don't forget to click USB tethering. Now you're done. Now let's check the internet speed. By the way, it is also important to use the mobile network provider that has a stronger signal in your area.
If there's nothing you can do and you have limited time, then you can cancel your book classes or lock the unbooked ones. To do so, just go to our tutor page and click the autonomous cancellation button, or you can also use the CS assistance button if you have any ongoing class. This should only be your last resort. Also, kindly inform your TM about it. Oh, if you're not allowed to use the autonomous cancellation button, you can always use IM to contact CS to assist you on this matter. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye bye!